I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberries, full guide. Start by washing and thoroughly drying your strawberries because any moisture will make chocolate seize. Gather good quality chocolate, a heat-proof bowl, a spatula, parchment paper, and a baking sheet. We will cover melting techniques, simple tempering approaches, dipping methods, cooling tips, and quick decoration ideas so your results look and taste amazing. Start by choosing firm, ripe strawberries and dry them completely to prevent splatter or seizing. Chop chocolate into uniform pieces so it melts evenly, and set up a double boiler or use short microwave bursts. Keep a towel nearby for moisture and a timer to track bursts. Aim for smooth, glossy melted chocolate and test one berry first to check temperature and consistency before committing to the full batch. Hold each berry by the stem and dip, turning to coat evenly while allowing excess to drip back into the bowl. Tap lightly against the rim to remove drips and place on parchment-lined sheet. If adding drizzles or toppings, do so when chocolate is still tacky so they stick. Chill briefly to set, but avoid long refrigeration that causes condensation. Serve within a few hours for best texture and shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.